years old, and Helen has owned them for the past 5.5 years. The vehicle that he's pulling is a Phoenix Flyer, and this is a 4-wheel 3-phase vehicle, and is purpose-built to be used in driving trials. It has extending rear axles, delayed steering, and is extremely stable during tight turns in obstacles. And that's suitably displayed there by Helen, with Shona Brown. Of course, Shona Brown, known to many of us, originally from Wharton.
Thank you for coming. Right, guys, we're getting teams at the bar and all.
Yeah, we might go.